Welcome to this video about Unity Central. Now, before we dive in, let me talk about the problem and why this all comes into play. Your data is everywhere disconnected. It's in SAP, logistics, finance, it's in email. Unity Central collects, stores, and indexes all of it. An orchestration and investigation layer with AI at its core so you can stop hunting for answers and start making decisions. Now, for this demo, we'll look at Unity Central through the lens of a busy sales rep trying to get instant, reliable visibility into open orders. But right now, your team finds out about order problems the same way your customer does. When they call asking where their shipment is, by then you're in damage control mode. Digging through SAP, emails, and chasing logistics to piece together what went wrong. So let's jump over to the dashboard. Here's your orders view. At a glance, you can see where every order stands. Open, acknowledged, shipment started, invoiced, and critically this red number in the corner. 4 orders flagged as needs review. Those are your fires before the customer calls. Let's start with what good looks like. This order is invoiced in progress, there's no flags. Let's click on the timeline and you can see every stage landed on time and order. Open, acknowledged, shipment started, invoice. No surprises, no action needed. You also have all the linked documents, full order details, and a downloadable document bundle so you can share with any relevant parties. Now let's look at order number 91583. The moment you open it up, the system tells you exactly what's wrong. The shipment was significantly late and delivery still hasn't been confirmed. You didn't need a customer call to find this out. The system already knew, and we can dig a little bit deeper. The flow view shows you exactly where the order broke down. The target shipment date was hit, but the shipment fulfillment phase and the goods dispatched both flagged as issues. You can see the precise moment things went off track with documents attached to every step, creating a level of traceability your team can log and access anytime. Once your team has handled it, resolving is one click. Log what happened, confirm the order, and the order is cleared. Every action is tracked so your whole team stays aligned. No more chasing updates over email. I'm just going to clear this out. All right, and that is Unity Central from the perspective of a sales rep. Stay tuned for more videos coming soon.